Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute baby creeper. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a large square shape near the top. And the head's going to be larger since we're drawing the baby version. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing two large squares for the eyes. And then inside each eye, let's draw another square on the top right corner by bringing it down in the center and over. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. From each corner, let's draw a line down in the center here. And then a line across at the top. Now from the bottom, let's bring it out on each side. And a line down to the bottom of the head. Now top inside and let's draw a line across in the center at the bottom. And then bring it down on each end. And color the mouth in black as well. Now that we're done the mouth, lastly, let's draw the cheeks. Underneath each eye, let's draw a line down to the mouth. And then from the corner of the eye, let's bring it out. Bring it down. And then back in to form a rectangle shape. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two lines down. And then a line across at the bottom. Now for the feet, let's draw two lines down in the center. Then from the bottom corners, let's bring it out on each side. And then bring it down. And close off the bottom of each foot. Now inside the feet here, let's draw another line across at the bottom. And then in the bottom section, two lines down. And that's it for the front feet. Now let's add two more behind. Let's start on top and let's draw a line out. And the same on the right side. Then let's bring it down. And back in at the bottom. And lastly, inside each one, let's add another line across near the bottom here. And that's it for this baby creeper. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!